So hello guys, welcome back in my new video. In today's video I will show you how to set up Docker in your Kali Linux. So what is Docker? It's a tool that lets you run apps and tool inside containers. Think of a container like a mini virtual machine but much faster and lighter. Okay. So our first command will be to update the repositories, update all your packages. After that we will check the version of Docker. Okay. If it says that Docker is not found, this shows that Docker is not installed. Then I will give the command here to install Docker. Install docker.io docker compose. Okay. This installs the core Docker engine and compose tool. Space needed is 399 MB. Okay, just give yes and it will be installed successfully. Then what you need to do is to check again if it is installed or not. If we will do Docker version, then it's showing the version of Docker which is 26.1.5. okay. Now if we do check Docker PS or any other version like sudo, then it's working. Okay, we are giving sudo, then it's working. Now here if I give sudo docker ps, okay, processes, it shows like it shows the images container id created. Okay, so there is no image currently. Now if I do docker ps, it's showing that permission is denied because we have not given the permission. Okay, now here we need to set the user. Okay, so here I am setting the user as my user. Okay, so this command is used to set up the user, so you will not require to give sudo every time, okay, while running Docker. So after that you need to reboot it. Okay, after rebooting your OS, you can see the changes are made. Now you don't need to give sudo for running Docker commands. Okay, now you need to go in this particular file, okay, /group, and you need to search for Docker here. I'm giving my password. You need to search for Docker here and you can see 138:Kali. Kali is my username which is set. Okay, so now I don't need to give sudo for running Docker commands. Okay, now if I give docker ps, then it's showing the container id, image and commands. Okay, now if I give sudo or docker run hello world, then it will pull one image and create something locally. Okay, see, it's pulling an image. Okay, the status is hello world and it is not there, the image is not there. So hello from Docker, it pulled and it's showing now. So hopefully you understand how to set up Docker. Meet you in next video. Till then, bye.